Unlock a world of culinary opportunities and big earnings with these top 10 food business ideas, from vending machines to heartwarming baby food ventures. Are you ready to turn your passion into profit? Number 10. Vending machines. If you're thinking about diving into the world of vending machines, here's the lowdown. On average, these businesses bring in solid annual revenue of over $182,000, offering a reasonable profit margin of 4.3%. Now, getting started will set you back about $2,000 or more, and it usually takes around 3 months to start seeing some green in return. Sure, the market growth rate hovers around 0.5%, but don't let that deter you. Successful automated vendors, the real go-getters in the game, have shown they can rake in much more than the average profit. Number 9. Food truck. Thinking of diving into the food biz with a food truck? Here's the deal. These roving kitchens pull in $41,000 or more annually with a 6.4% profit margin. Starting one will cost $1,000 to $100,000, but you could break even in 3 months. The market's growing at a tasty 1.2%, but beware, competition is hot. If you're a foodie, chef, or kitchen whiz, this could be your thing. Just carve a niche, craft a smart plan, and you might avoid common pitfalls. Number 8. Grocery store. Well, opening a grocery store might just be the fresh business idea you've been searching for. Picture this: average annual revenue of $9.3 million or more, with a profit margin of 1.8%. Now, getting your grocery store off the ground might require a startup cost ranging from $100,000 to $3.5 million, and you'll need some patience because it could take anywhere from 6 to 18 months to start seeing those green bills rolling in. While the market growth rate floats at a steady 0.8%, the real magic happens when you find your niche. Think of it like this: you could open an all-purpose supermarket for folks to grab their daily essentials, or you could spice things up with a specialty shop. Number 7. Healthy snacks. Well, here's a tasty idea for you. How about creating your lineup of nutritious goodies? With an average annual revenue potential of $130,000 or more and a sweet profit margin of 5.4%, you could be onto something good. Now, starting up might require a bit of an investment, ranging from $100,000 to $3.5 million, and you'll need a dash of patience as it could take about 6 to 18 months to see the fruits of your labor. Number 6. Catering business. How about considering a catering service as your go-to low-cost food venture? It's a feast for opportunity with an average annual revenue potential of $124,000 or more and a tasty profit margin of 5.5%. Now, the beauty of this idea lies in simplicity. All you need are your fantastic cooking skills and the right ingredients. Whether you whip up delightful dishes at customers' homes, serve them up at event venues, or rent a commercial kitchen when the occasion calls, you'll be skipping the hefty startup costs that come with buying equipment and setting up a brick-and-mortar store. Number 5. Vegan restaurant. Imagine opening a plant-based haven that caters to the increasing demand for nutritious and vegan delights. With an average annual revenue potential of over $1.1 million and a cool profit margin of 4%, this idea is not just about food, it's a thriving business venture. Whether you dream of a cozy vegan cafe, a chic restaurant, or a trendy retail store, there's a growing market segment eager for plant-based goodness made from fresh produce and meat alternatives. Picture this: around 1.62 million U.S. adults follow a strict vegan diet, and many more are either vegan curious or incorporating more plant-based options into their meals. Number 4. Food product manufacturing. A food processing venture opens doors to a world of flavors, boasting an annual revenue of $78 million and an enticing 12.24% profit margin. It's more than a kitchen experiment. It's a lucrative opportunity to craft hot sauces, dried fruits, and ready-to-eat meals. Whether selling online, at local markets, or collaborating with retail stores, your culinary creations can dazzle taste buds. If you're a creative foodie with branding skills, market know-how, and supply chain finesse, this could be your perfect path. With the frozen food sector raking in $44.4 billion annually, success is on the menu. Number 3. Food and wine. Pairing events. Consider a venture into food and wine. Pairing dinners. A rewarding and lucrative business with an annual revenue surpassing $1.7 million and startup costs from $100,000 to $3.5 million. Picture curating delightful pairings and crafting memorable experiences for local food enthusiasts. For wine lovers and savvy marketers, this isn't just a business. It's a delightful journey into the world of culinary experiences. Number 2. Artisanal food products. Turn your culinary creativity into a sizzling success with artisanal foods, boasting average annual revenue of $278,000 and startup costs from $500 to $250,000. Ideal for creative chefs and foodies, this classic yet evergreen business invites you to explore niche markets, from hot sauces to gourmet popcorn. Share your culinary passion, craft unique offerings, and turn your creations into a flavorful success story. Ready to curate an experience and make your mark in the world of artisanal delights? Number 1. Baby food business. Turn your love for cooking into a heartwarming and profitable venture by delving into the world of crafting your baby food brand. With an impressive average annual revenue exceeding $142 million and startup costs ranging from $100,000 to $3.5 million, this unique and fulfilling business idea caters to the needs of busy parents seeking fresh, nutritious meals for their little ones. Positioned in a thriving market that surpassed $9.9 billion in North America in 2022, with projections reaching $13.9 billion by 2028, this venture offers both financial success and the satisfaction of providing a wholesome solution for families. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.